I'm Steve Shaw, I'm Chief Executive and owner of Shorade Accident Repair Centre. We specialise in manufacturer approved repairs, and we work with all the high-end manufacturers and prestige manufacturers in the world. Before we worked with Kimbley IT, we had a lot of issues with our IT support in the fact that we didn't really have any trust in them. Every question we asked, it sort of took a long time to answer. So my first meeting with Kyle, when he introduced Kimbley IT to us, what sort of drew me to him was his enthusiasm for IT and helping the customer. And everything that I asked him, it was, yeah, that's no problem, we can sort that. So straight away I'd got that element of trust that he knew what he was talking about and he could help us. And equally, it wasn't just about how much money can we make out of you. He was there to support us and help us, which is what we're experiencing now. I very much felt that I had to come to work, to sit at my desktop, to be able to receive the information I need. On a daily basis, I receive reports from the manager and various people within the business that help me put together my report so I know how the business is working on a day-to-day basis. So I can then populate my dashboard so I know what our sales were, what's in the bank and so on and so forth. Now, because of the technology available to me, I can do that from anywhere in the world, from a phone, from an iPad, from a laptop, so I don't have to keep coming to work. First of all, with Kimbley is the trust, the speed of response, whether it be through the little quick message app or on the phone or email. The response is instant. Wherever I am in the world, I can get a response straight away. I know that you've got my back and you're there to support my team. Working with Kimbley IT has made things so much easier for us. If we moved away from Kimbley IT, it would need to be something significantly better. I can't see how anybody can improve what we're getting at the moment. Is that all right?
Yeah.